Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is episode 306 of Through the Mail Autographs. We like to do baseball and football and basketball and golf and celebrities and hockey and wrestling and all that stuff. We send out 100 requests per week, and we get back this per day sometimes when we're hard at it. And I opened up another box, and we got an eBay purchase, so let's get right at it. I want to show you all this cool stuff. Roger Penske did not sign my cards. He put a note on my note, already signed cards, so I guess he keeps a history, and if you've ever sent to him one time in your life, you cannot send to him again. So don't send to Roger Penske twice. Learn my lesson. Have to see if I got some more addresses I can send to him. Mark Bruner. His autograph's getting smaller, but that's cool. Uh-oh. I think this is one that has some little guys in it. Look at that. 72 Sunoco stamps and some 70 Topps cards. Those are super sweet. Tom Woodchick from WVU University. West Virginia University, there you go. Another Sunoco stamp, 72 Sunoco, Andy Russell. There's a 71, can't remember, those are 69 maybe, and a 74. I always like getting Andy Russell back. He was the defensive captain of those great teams. Ed Glenn, signed index card, an 81. There's a rookie, Larry Anderson, signs. And there's an 80 Topps. I'll probably send that off to Larry Anderson. Richie Hebner. There's a Kellogg's card, an 86 Topps, 79 Topps, and a 73 Topps. I saw on Facebook that somebody's having a signing with him for like $13 a card. Why would anybody pay $13 a card when they could just send to him? I guess if you want a certain ink or a certain something, but I'm happy to get one for free. Frank DiPino, 88 Donruss, 85 Topps, 88 Fleer, that's a good looking card, and an 89 Donruss. Not Donruss, but Bowman. I know my card's better than that, come on. Here we go, we finished one up. Dick Estelle. Had that signed by Jack Hyatt. It's cool, used about the same pen, that's awesome. Nice, completed that. That's the first time I've completed that card before. I like that. Like getting those cards completed. There's he signed it right here, Ron Hodges. An 84 and a 77 and an 80. You're not going to believe this eBay purchase that I made. This thing on here says wrong address. I don't know if that was just sent to here locally or what, but I was kind of worried there wouldn't be anything in there, but it must be on my end where it said wrong address. They must have delivered to somebody else. But here's a Larry Christensen, 80, 82 Donruss, and a 78 Topps. I believe he only sends 3 at a time. I was looking at, what people were getting back. That's usually what I do when I send off. Dave Ford, 81 Donruss. Look at that. I love that 84 minor league card. And then there's an 82 Donruss. I've never sent to him before, but I got this set, and I saw he signed, so I was like, hey, I need that. Need that for my set. Hey, Greg Gagne, I finally got his new address, so I can get him back. I think I sent him a lot. 90 Upper Deck, 91 Fleer, 93 Ultra, a big card, and one of these Woolworths cards. I like that Woolworths card. I'll set that right there. We're going to show you some of that stuff we got later. I may have to move it. Jim Colburn, a couple 79s. 71 and a 75. I'll move over MJ a little bit. I just went ahead and pulled out every MJ I got because most MJs are worth $1 or $2. And they sell pretty well. Dave Fleming. There's Dave Fleming. There's a nice collector's choice. Shout out to Haas. He loves those collector's choice. Just watched his video yesterday. 93 Ultra and a 93 Topps. I like that trophy card. That's a good card. Here's the last one, guys. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 14 returns today. This one took over a year, I think. Randall Hill. Nice. Got a game day, an Ultra, and a Pro line. Very nice. I want to thank everybody who signed my cards. Hope you guys will stick around. But you're not going to believe what we got. This is an amazing lot. Let me see. Bought this on eBay. You know, I've been buying these team lots. There's Ricky Bonus, Brad Osmus, Bruce Bochy or Bochy or whatever his name is. I'm not sure who that is. Pat Morales or Corrales. I don't know who that is either. Doesn't say. Eaton, Mark Grant. Gutierrez. Trevor Hoffman, that's a nice one. Joey Hamilton, Craig Shipley, Greg Vaughn's a decent one. Some Woody Williams. Hey, there you go, Fryer. I think for the Padres one, I paid $50 some for it. There's Terry Kennedy. He's a pretty tough autograph. And I'll show you why I paid $50 for that. There's Jake Peavy. He's pretty good. Dave Roberts. Randy Reddy. Rigglemans. Luis Salazar. Couldn't figure out where this Wally Joyner was even signed. I don't know if maybe it was, came off. I don't know. I don't care. Reggie Sanders. Still haven't got to the card that I bought it for. Bochy. He doesn't sign anymore, I don't think. He used to be a good signer. Sean Burrows. There we go. Look at that one. That is sweet. Like I said, there ended up being like 41 Padres cards and this freaking beauty right here. I'm really working hard on an 85 set, so yes, I was very glad to get this in my collection. I paid like $50, $55 for the lot maybe, and I probably would have paid that for that one card. So this Adrian Gonzalez and all that other stuff was just a bonus throw in. And there was, I think, there might have been a Jeff Kent in there too. And then we bought an Indians lot too. They're not Indians, what do you call it? Devil Rays. There's Joey Hamilton, or Josh Hamilton. Got 2 of his rookie cards autographed. That's pretty sweet. And then the rest was nothing really, I don't think, for the Devil Rays. Never had very many people. I think they're the Rays now, but they were the Devil Rays back then. When I went to their first game, they were the Devil Rays. I was there for opening night. It was pretty cool. I got this certified autograph. Don't know if he ever made it or not, but it's a cool looking card. Yeah, I don't think I paid much for the Devil Rays one. I think it was like maybe $15 for 48 cards or something like that. But that was cool. And like I said, we looked through this box over here. Get some of this out of our way, and we try to get to the box. Just some little cheapy Jordans I found. This was kind of cool because it's numbered to 499. Not sure if he's any good. Stanley Robinson, probably not. And I thought this was cool. It's a LeBron. It's one of the special ones, numbered to 499. That one probably is pretty good. And then there was a Kobe in there and another regular LeBron. I just thought these were kind of cool. This was a gold Roy Oswalt. This was a numbered Jeff Kent to 299. This was some kind of stat line Jeremy Owens. It might be a dollar card. I don't know. I just pulled out the cool stuff. This was numbered to 25. Reggie Brown refractor. That's kind of cool. This is a game used Greg East. That's going to go in a $1 box, $2 box probably. DeAndre Hopkins, I think he's pretty good, wasn't he? This is a cool card, numbered rookie. Few refractors. Unfortunately, a autographed redemption card for Ron Torkett from the 11 Ginter. I wonder if that's still good. I doubt it. And then there was some TTM fuel in there, like Larry Johnson, and then there was a lot of baseball managers, a lot of Juan Gonzalez's, stuff like that, John Olerud's. But that was the TTM fuel. And then there was just like there was some Babe Ruth type stuff. In that top prospect set, there was some of that. A lot of these decade cards or whatever they are. There's a bunch of them there. There's some of this basketball, but nothing really good. There's a stack like this, the star rookies from that year there, but nobody recognized. That whole thing from there on are these really cool looking hockey cards. So I know nothing about hockey, so I just left them there. And we also got some of these gold cards, nobody big. Palmer, Russell Brandon. Yeah, those may go in a $1 box. Then we found some stuff like, Carnell Williams, Jason Giambi, Mario Lemieux. Some of that stuff is not really worth much. It's funny what you put in sleeves back in the day. Ronnie Brown. Who's this? Dan Orlovsky, Joey Harrington, Roy Williams, Greg Jones, Carmelo Anthony insert. It's numbered to 99, Chris Kaman. And then this was like, some minor stars, like a bunch of Robert Griffin and different football there. And then there was some of these, nobody big, different inserts. Some more power cards, West Virginia Power. Whatever this was, these are all rookies. There's the basketball. I pulled out LeBron's and Kobe's. There's some tops. There's some of this kind of hockey here. A bunch of that. And what do we have here? There's some more of the hockey. Like Ed Belpre. That's about it. There wasn't really much in that box. So instead of boring you guys to death, I just figured to show you guys the highlights and you'd be a lot happier. Hey guys, thanks for checking it out. Hopefully you stuck around. Please like, please subscribe, please comment. Let me know if you like it this way with the, doing these boxes with the TTM videos just as an extra and showing you the highlights, or would you guys rather see full videos of what's in the box? Let me know. Have a good one, guys. Thanks. Peace.